AI Agents Exposed. Hey there, welcome to my AI Agents Exposed review. In this video, we're going to go over the main uses that these AI agents have, how to create them, and just basically clear up a bit more about the business model for this approach, and also look at the chatbot they have as an example on this website. Before we dive into this AI Agents Exposed review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. For over 10 years now, I've been working from home doing affiliate marketing full time, which has been really cool. So I've seen lots of different systems and tools come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you check out AI Agents Exposed reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click that link in the video description below. Click the link below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get traffic and get those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. So with AI Agents Exposed, this is a product launched by vendors with a really good track record of delivering high quality A to Z training in the internet marketing niche, primarily focused around new AI methods. And what I like about these product launches from these vendors is they focus on the training and really make you understand the business model. And it's step-by-step over-the-shoulder training videos to show you exactly what to do, the business model behind it, how to generate the AI content, and how that fits into an overall business, how to sell it, how to make money. A lot of product launches just give you some software tool for churning out a bit of content or an image or some text, but you don't really know what to do with it. So this one's, I like their approach to actually training rather than just giving you a software tool to use, which hasn't really got any aim behind it. With AI Agents Exposed, the business model is basically you're creating your own custom chatbots, and you're training them up to be experts to do very specific tasks. So it's a bit like interacting with ChatGPT as a chatbot, but more advanced than just using the free version, and in a way more advanced than using the paid version as well, because what AI Agents Exposed focused on is training up chatbots to be expert in certain areas, but this is not just outputting text. It's more to do with integrating with other apps and software tools out there on the internet, so it can actually perform tasks. Things like logging into accounts, doing social media accounts, can do posting and scheduling. It can do more technical tasks and maintenance to do with a website. It can create content, images, graphics, text, all the standard AI launches, but it's more how it integrates with data and software apps, and basically the integration with other apps on the internet and other products and services with the chatbot. That's what makes it unique and special, is that it can do more than just output text and graphics. And it's just a really clever way of using your own custom AI chatbots to do tasks. Now, these tasks can be in the areas of list building, traffic generation, you're managing data, automating certain business tasks. That can include lead generation, email autoresponder follow-up, email marketing campaigns, social media marketing campaigns. You can do it as well. You can do it for standard copywriting, which a lot of tools do, text-based copywriting, video generation, website building. Again, that can integrate with certain website apps and tools and integrations for that. Build sales funnels for your own campaigns or local businesses, pay-per-click campaigns. You can create entire products to sell as a vendor, create your own software, do software-based tasks with this app. So that's basically what sets AI Agents Exposed apart from other AI tools, is the integration with other apps. And in addition to the training as part of the AI Agents Exposed members area, they do have their own tool you can use for training up your own AI agents, giving them the information they need, and integrating apps and automation to do more advanced tasks than you could otherwise do with basic AI chatbots. Now, you could either sell these services yourself as a freelancer, go to websites such as Fiverr and Upwork and put your own gig for doing these different tasks, such as social media management, email management, copywriting, video output, graphic generation, whole host of tasks you could do, and getting AI to complete the tasks for you very quickly, so you could earn decent money per hour doing that, or you can use this for your own campaigns. You can create local business websites, sell that to your clients. You can create your own affiliate marketing sales funnels and websites, software you could give away to build a list. So there's lots of different uses with AI Agents Exposed, using their tool and the training on how to integrate it with other apps online. So I really like the look of it. They've also got a chatbot on the website, which is just an example of how you would interact with this type of chatbot like you would with ChatGPT, but it's trained up on all the information that's already contained with this website. So I'm asking it about the product, how the product works, and it's answering it with very detailed information, with the information that's coming from the website and other additional training. And I'm asking about the optional upgrades, how much the product cost is, and they are doing a good job of answering the questions accurately with lots of information, and then providing a call to action with a link to make the purchase. So you can have these chatbots on your own websites to help closing sales on your behalf, as well as interacting with chatbots like this to do tasks which you could sell to other local business owners. So there's lots of different ways to make use of this software. Anyway, hopefully that cleared up a bit about how AI Agents Exposed works. If you want to discover my number one system right now for generating a realistic income online and my main focus for getting traffic and consistent commissions coming in, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get traffic, build your list, and be consistent with your output that you get in this exciting internet marketing world and getting those consistent commissions arriving. So be sure to click that link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my AI Agents Exposed review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.